Instagram is now able to use our photos and our content to train their AI. And a lot of artists are not too happy with that. And a lot of individuals as well are not happy about that. Are you tired of AI flooding your art feed or just your feed in general in social media? Well, here's a new app for you. Cara is a social media and portfolio platform only for artists and no AI. And you can see that as I go through this app, you can see that this is all work done by artists. There's nothing that's been generated. I think in the future, we're gonna have more of these smaller communities pop up that create their own apps that filter out AI. One crazy fact that I found out is that Instagram is now able to use our photos and our content to train their AI. And a lot of artists are not too happy with that. And a lot of individuals as well are not happy about that. So make the switch over to Cara if you're an artist that's looking to be on a platform that only showcases real artwork done by artists. Some of you that have already heard about Flickr, which was a platform for photographers, Cara is looking to do the same thing, where it's only based on artists and their artwork. Similar to Flickr, it was only photography. This is another platform with a super niche community that looks to put them at the forefront of their talent, their work, and also art as a whole. You have a bunch of different industry standards of companies that are supporting this platform. They're an indie company and are a small group of people that have created this platform, which is super cool to see. What I've realized is that more and more we're going to see smaller communities rally around a central idea just like this that's against AI. And Cara's stance on AI is they do not agree with generative AI tools, and they currently think that the current state of generative AI is stealing from artists, which is something that they think is unethical and they won't stand for. Since there's a lot of data privacy laws that are not protecting artists right now, as a whole, they think that standards as well as like laws need to catch up to this generative AI that is completely ripping off other artists and people that make a living with their art. How does Cara do this? Cara does it by automated AI image detection and filtering. Ironically, they use AI to find AI, which is nothing new, but that's another way they're going about finding content that's AI generated. Cara is essentially like a social media feed for a portfolio of the artists. It's desktop and mobile enabled. It kind of reminds me of a mixture of Twitter, Instagram, primarily Instagram though. I love the feed. You see the likes, you can add comments, you can also bookmark, which kind of reminds me of Twitter. You can follow your favorite artist. What I really enjoy about this is the approach that they did for their UI. It's super minimal as well as dark, and the forefront of the app is the art. So I'm able to click in. I'm also able to see how many likes, comments, and you can like reshare. The other thing that I'd like to point out is it has this tagging system where you're able to see what the software is used as well as like the different tags. So in this case, environmental concept art, 3D work, and digital. And that's what I'm really enjoying about Cara. The simplicity, straightforwardness, as well as their stance against unethical AI training and the lack of data awareness that we have and the laws in place. So that's Cara. If you have a chance, check it out. Definitely suggest it if you're against AI.